Hello everyone, this is Patricia Gonzalez. I'm going to show my additions to my A.Captivate project. So far I have the same slides I added last week. Also I have the assessment that the kids should be able to complete, the scoring page, and I also added I went ahead and tried Animaker. I loved it. It was amazing, and if you don't have one, I really recommend you this website. It's so easy to make a video and integrating the content. So I'm just going to show you really quick how it looks. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And so in between the videos, since I'm talking about iMovie, augmented reality, and virtual reality, I wanted to add some interactive visuals to engage my audience. And of course, it's going to be 8 to 12-year-olds. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be very engaged when they see this video. And lastly, I have the evaluation on Google Forms. And this is the evaluation that the students will be taking at the end of the course. And I have a little bit of everything as far as multiple choice questions. I have check boxes, and I have a short text. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you.